Hello students, so today we are going to solve a very difficult looking question of your sample paper book. In this question, a figure is given and some story is also given related to this figure. In a school maths exhibition, तो एक बार कोई मैथ्स एग्जीबिशन चल रहा था जहां पर क्लास 8 के स्टूडेंट्स ने 5 टेबल्स लगाई और उसमें 7-10 ग्राम पीसेस रखे। 10 ग्राम पीसेस इस तरीके से दिखते हैं जो आपको यहाँ पर इमेज में दिख रहा होगा, जिन्हें ज्वाइन करने पर ऐसे इमेज बनती है। इनके बीच में स्पेस नहीं रखा जाता और इनको ज्वाइन करने से डिफरेंट आपके फिगर्स, डिफरेंट शेप्स बन सकते हैं। So students ask the visitor to solve the question related to area and perimeter of the 10 ग्राम pieces. तो जो 10 ग्राम ये पीसेस बने हैं यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप, 7 पीसेस आर देयर और वो 7 पीसेस के कारण डिफरेंट शेप्स, कहीं ट्राइंगल, कहीं रेक्टेंगल, कहीं ट्रेपीजियम, ये फॉर्म हो रहा है। सो स्टूडेंट आस्क्ड विजिटर to find the area and perimeter of the different shapes. Actually, it is very good idea for us to. We can also use this idea for our next maths day. So now we solve the question and next time we will also try to do something like this. यहाँ पर उन्होंने पूरे 10 ग्राम पीसेस को डिफरेंट तरीके से अरेंज किया हुआ है। वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व these shapes and answer the questions. So, in first question, they have asked us to find the area of a triangle formed by joining the pieces 1 and 2. Actually, हुआ क्या है कि यहाँ पर इन्होंने जब pieces को join किया है 1 और 2, तो they forgot to complete the figure here. इसलिए बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम जाती है। If we complete the figure, तो समझ में आने लगता है कि what kind of triangle is it. So, if you observe it closely, then you will find that it is actually a right angle triangle. I am highlighting it to, ये देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने इसे रेड कलर से इसकी साइड्स को हाईलाइट किया है। इट इज एक्चुअली अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल और ये ऐसा इसलिए दिया गया है क्योंकि जनरली हम राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल कुछ इस तरीके से बनाते हैं, कुछ इस तरीके से हमारे राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का शेप होता है। तो अगर इसे हम रोटेट करते हैं, जैसे देखिए आप, इन्होंने रोटेट कर दिया है तो वो कुछ इस तरीके से दिखने लगता है, बट इट इज स्टिल अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल और बच्चों को ये समझ में नहीं आता है, तो इसलिए इन्होंने दिया है। और अगर आपको अभी समझ में आ गया कि राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है तो देन इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू कैलकुलेट इट्स एरिया। नाउ व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल? हाफ टाइम्स बेस टाइम्स हाइट, है ना। सो यही फॉर्मूला हम अप्लाई करते हैं। मैं पहले ट्राइंगल को आपके लिए अच्छे से बना देता हूँ। तो एक्चुअली वी आर सॉल्विंग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ओके। सो इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी वर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल formed by joining pieces 1 and 2. So this is piece 1 and this is piece 2. इनको जोड़ने से, ऐड करने से, है ना, कंबाइन करने से एक बना है ट्राइंगल और इट इज एक्चुअली अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल whose base and height both are same. So we can call it as an isosceles right angle triangle. Area of this kind of triangle is, area of this triangle would be half times base times height. So base and height both are same, both are of 12 centimeter each. So half into 12 into 12, let's solve it. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 12 6 are 72, 72 cm square is our first answer. So this is the solution of first question. Now let's solve the second question. So I'm erasing it. I hope you have understood the solution of first question. Okay, now in second question, let's see what they are asking. Find the perimeter of the triangle formed by joining pieces 1 and 2. Means now we have to find the perimeter of the same triangle. So that triangle was this: 12 centimeter height, 12 centimeter base, and we do not know the length of the longest side. So for finding it, you all know what we will do. We will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So I am naming it as ABC. So in triangle ABC, we do not have this side AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate. If we use Pythagoras theorem, then AC square would be equal to AB square plus BC square. Put the values of AB and BC here. AB is 12 and BC is also 12. You all know 12 square is 144. Again 144. 144 plus 144 is 288. Or I can write it as 2 times 144 also. Why I am writing this in multiplication form? Because in left hand side we have AC square. So if we take square root of both the sides, so we will get AC is equal to under root 2 times 144. You know that 144 is the square of 12. So we can write it as 12 root 2. AC is 12 root 2 centimeter. Now we have all three sides. Perimeter means sum of all three sides. So let's add all the sides. So perimeter of this triangle would be 12 plus 12 plus 12 root 2. 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 12, and for root 2 we can write its approximate value 1.414. Let's solve it and we will get the approximate answer. Okay, 12 plus 12 into 1.414. 12 fours are 48, 12 ones are 12 and 4 16. 12 fours are 48 and 1 49. 12 ones are 12 and 4 16. 16.968 plus 24 will give us the final answer. Let's add it. So 0.968 will remain same. 24 and 16 will be 40. So our approximate answer is 40.968 cm. I am writing it approx here. This solution is also completed. So how we solved it? We firstly found all the three sides. Two were already given. Third one we found by applying Pythagoras theorem, which was 12 root 2. Then we added all the sides. Put the value of root 2 as 1.414 and our answer is 40.968. You should learn the approximate values of uh, minimum three irrational numbers, like root 2 is 1.414, root 3 is 1.732, and root 5 is 2.236. So if in calculation we get any irrational number like these, we can put these values to get the approximate answer. Okay, so we have solved two questions so far. Now move on to the next one. So next question, we are asked to find the area of trapezium PQRS formed by joining pieces 3 and 7. So PQRS, let's see PQRS. I am highlighting its side PQR and S. PQRS. It is our trapezium whose area we need to calculate. Huh? We need to calculate the area of this trapezium. For the area of trapezium, we need the length of parallel sides, which are 12.6 and 4.2 centimeter here, and height, which is 4.2 centimeter. So it is very easy for us to calculate the area of this trapezium. As we all know, the area of trapezium is half times A plus B. A plus B means sum of parallel sides into H means height. 1 by 2 into first parallel side is 12.6 centimeter long and another side is 4.2 centimeter long and height is 4.2 centimeter. So I have put all the values in the formula. Let's calculate and get the answer. 12.6 plus 4.2, 6 plus 2 8, 12 plus 4 16 multiplied with 4.2. Let's cancel 4.2 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Multiply there. 168 into 21. Let's do the calculation fast. 168 into 21,861 16, and this will be 33. 8 6 6 12 31415 3 35.28 35.28 cm square would be the area of PQRS. This question was also easy. Okay. Now next question, last one. So this was our third solution. And last question, they have asked us to find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. It is also very easy. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So once we calculate the length and breadth, we will add them and multiply by 2 to get the answer. So let's highlight this figure. Where is ABCD? A, B, C, and D. So this is the rectangle whose perimeter we need to calculate. So firstly, I will talk about its length. Length is AD, and you can see what is the total length of this part. A to Q is 4.2 and Q to D is again 4.2. Means AD is 4.2 plus 4.2. So 4.2 plus 4.2 will be what? 8.4. So 4.2 plus 4.2, 8.4. It is AD. मैं यहां पर भी लाइन बना देता हूं. AD कुछ इस तरीके से आपको दिख रहा है. In AD, a point Q is there in between A and D. A to Q is 4.2. Q to D is also 4.2. So 4.2 plus 4.2 will give us 8.4, which is the length of AD. So length is 8.4 centimeter. And breadth. So breadth is also given. You can see this is the breadth. Where I will change the color first. See, this green line is representing its breadth, which is 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter is the breadth of this rectangle. 4.2 centimeter. 4.2. Now solve it. 8.4 plus 4.8 is 12.6. 12.6, double of 12.6 will be 2 6 are 12 to 25.2. So 25.2 centimeter is the perimeter of ABC. I hope students you found it easy and you have understood how to solve this type of questions. So practice more questions like this. Practice as many questions as you can, and best of luck.